kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a garden full of root vegetable plants, carrot, potato, and onion, along with a butterfly and a watering can. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, I'm drawing a big rectangle shape. This will be our garden. In the middle of the garden, let's draw a potato plant. Its branches and leaves. Try drawing and painting with me. Now I'm drawing potatoes underground. I'm going to color them with rainbow colors. It looks so cool. Next to the potato plant, let's draw a carrot plant. I'm drawing its long green leaves. Now over here, let's draw the onion plant. I love eating these vegetables. What is your favorite vegetables? Let's draw a sun and a cloud up here. And a cute butterfly flying nearby. Adorable. Finally, let's draw a watering can with a heart shape on it. Great job! Now, let's make our first drawing line thicker to stand out more. Time to paint. I'll start with red. I'll use rainbow colors for the potatoes. Orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Amazing! These vegetables grow under the ground, so we call them root vegetables. Now let's color the carrot. Bright orange with green leaves. I love eating vegetables. Do you like too? It's time to color the onion. They look so tasty. Our little garden is looking amazing and beautiful. Let's paint the sun. Light blue. Let's color the cute butterfly. Pink. Let's paint the watering can. We should eat vegetables to stay strong and healthy. Alright kids, we've finished our beautiful vegetable garden. See you in the next video.